Software development can make or break a startup. I've seen companies soar because they got it right, and others stumble because of common mistakes. Let's dive into what founders need to watch out for.
The first major pitfall is starting without a clear vision. It's tempting to dive into development right away, but without a defined goal, you risk wasting time and money.
That's so true. I've worked with founders who had great ideas but no roadmap. Before you start coding, ask yourself, what problem are you solving? Who is your user? What does success look like? Andrew, at Code and Trust, how do you help startups define their vision?
We begin with a discovery phase. This involves deep dive sessions to understand the problem, the target audience, and the desired outcomes. From there, we create a product roadmap that guides every decision during development.
The next pitfall is feature overload. Startups often want to build everything all at once, but this can lead to bloated software and missed deadlines.
Exactly. Focus on your MLP, minimum lovable product. What's the core functionality that will deliver value to your users? You can always add features later based on feedback.
We've seen startups succeed by launching with a focused MLP. It's about solving the primary problem first, then iterating.
Another common pitfall is ignoring scalability. Startups often build software for today without thinking about tomorrow.
This can be a costly mistake. Imagine launching your product, gaining traction, and then watching it crash because it wasn't designed to handle growth.
At Code and Trust, we design software with scalability in mind from day one. That means using robust architectures and future-proof technologies.
And startups don't have to break the bank to do this. It's about smart planning and building a foundation that supports growth.
Poor communication between founders and developers is another major pitfall. Misaligned expectations can lead to delays, rework, and frustration.
Clear and consistent communication is key. Set up regular check-ins, use project management tools, and ensure everyone is on the same page.
We make communication an absolute priority. From daily stand-ups to detailed progress reports, we keep our clients in the loop at every stage of development.
Finally, neglecting user feedback can doom even the best software. Never forget that your users are your best source of insights.
That's why we encourage startups to launch early and listen. Collecting user feedback helps you prioritize improvements and ensures your product meets real needs.
The most successful startups iterate based on what their users want, not just what they think is important.
It's a game changer. Listening to your users keeps you ahead of the competition.
So, Andrew, what's your final piece of advice for startups looking to avoid these pitfalls?
Start with a clear vision. Focus on your MLP, plan for scalability, communicate openly, and always listen to your users. And most importantly, partner with a team that understands your goals and challenges.
If you're ready to build software that avoids these pitfalls and sets your startup up for success, reach out to us at codeandtrust.com. Let's create something incredible together.